Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you this coral warm toned eye makeup look, which is inspired for the summertime. So before I go in with any eyeshadow, I am first going to prime the eyelids using the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot, and I'm using it in the shade Soft Ochre. So I'm gonna cover up my whole eyelid, and the eye palette I'm gonna play with today is the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. This is a new palette that she has recently launched. It has such beautiful shades. It screams summer to me, even though it will also be really beautiful for fall season or even all year round. Like, it doesn't even matter. But I'm gonna start with this orangey color, and I'm gonna start blending this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner using a Sigma Beauty E40 brush. I have a special discount code in the description bar, which will give you discount on all Sigma Beauty products. So make sure you check it out if you want to purchase any of their products. So I'm just going to make circular motions with my brush and blend this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, kind of sweeping my brush back and forward and adding more product by time. I like to start with a little bit of product and slowly build it up, but the Natasha Denona eyeshadows blend really nicely, so you can also go in with a little bit more. But this is just how I always do it. I like to kind of like build it up slowly. So now after blending this on both sides, I'm going in with the color Vigar, not sure how you pronounce that word. I don't even know what it means, but it's more of a reddish shade, but still has kind of like that corally undertone. So I'm going to start blending that in the outer V of the eyelid, pressing with my brush and also making circular motions. Now, something I was wondering, do you prefer when I film that you can only see one eye like really up close, or do you like it when you see both eyes? I think I actually like both eyes, but of course I'm really interested to hear you guys' opinions, so definitely let me know. So I'm going in with this orangey shade, which has a really beautiful shimmer on it. Such a beautiful shade. So I'm using my finger to apply this color all over the eyelid, and it blends really nicely into the matte shades that I applied in my crease area. So once that is applied, I'm going in with the color Mindful with a Sigma Beauty angled eyebrow brush, which I believe is the E75. And I'm going to use this eyeshadow color to create my eyeliner. That's something I have been doing a lot lately in my YouTube videos, using eyeshadow for my eyeliner. I think it's such a cool way to create that eyeliner look without having a specific eyeliner. I mean, you can just use eyeshadow. You can even spray a little bit of water or some setting spray on your brush, and this will intensify the eyeshadow color. And you can do this with any eyeshadow that you have at home. So definitely would advise to play with this, and you can come up with some really cool combinations. And if you think black eyeliner is too intense for you, you can just use some brown eyeshadow, and that will give more of a softer effect. So I went for a wing liner. This is optional. You don't have to go for a wing liner if you're recreating this. Maybe you have hooded eyes and you don't really like wing liner, or you just simply have a hard time creating a winged eyeliner. You can also do a simple line above the lash line, or just skip the whole eyeliner. Like, without the eyeliner, this eye look will also look really nice. So this is totally up to you. You can give your own twist to this eye makeup look. So I went in with a little bit concealer on a concealer brush and applied this right underneath the wing liner, because I blended that eyeshadow in a round shape. So you can still see a little bit of that eyeshadow like right underneath where I created the winged liner. So I just wanted to clean that up, and therefore I went in with a little bit of concealer and blended everything out. So it looks really nice and smooth, and the winged liner looks super sharp. So far, I'm really liking how it looks. So I went in with the same color, which is called Mindful, and now using a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush, which is the E15, and using this for underneath the lower lash line. So I like that I used the same shade for my eyeliner. So now the eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line kind of connects into that winged liner. So now taking a combination of the shade Relief and Balance and blending those both shades underneath the lower lash line to make everything look more soft and blended out. So I just keep going back and forth with my brush, and then I went in with the color Aura and using a little bit of that shade for underneath the lower lash line, kind of like in the inner corner area. So that was that same shade that I used all over the eyelids. So now I'm going in with a brown pencil, and this is the color Soft Brown from Makeup by Mario, a really beautiful warm tone brown color which suits really well with the eye look. Now it's time to curl the lashes, something I always do before I go in with mascara. Actually, for this makeup look, I am going in with fake lashes, so whenever I do, I'm not too focused on how my upper lashes look because the fake lashes are gonna cover it up anyway, but I really focus on making my lower lashes as long as possible. You can see I spilled a little bit of that mascara on my nose, but don't worry, what I always do, I always wait until the mascara is dry, then I take a cotton pad and I wipe it away. If it will remove your foundation, you can always go slightly in with a little bit of concealer and tap it on the place where your concealer is kind of removed and you won't see anything of it anymore. So now I'm going in with the Eleganza lashes from Norvina Cosmetics by Anastasia Beverly Hills and apply these right above the lash line. This is a really wispy, kind of natural, frizzy looking style, which I personally really like. I think it looks really nice with today's eye look. If you're recreating this makeup look and you don't want to wear lashes, of course, you can skip that step. I think lashes definitely make the whole eye look so much better. It just kind of gives that finishing touch, which makes everything look even more glam, but this eye look will also be really pretty without fake lashes. So yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel, and also of course don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.